Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your mothers have practically built themselves. Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv. Welcome to the Get Order Stash. Today, I got a fun one. This is one that, I didn't know I wanted until they came out with it. And I thought this is gonna go really good with some of the other weird stuff I've got. This one's the little Roamin Chariot. Round 2 is doing the retro on this. I never built this as a kid, so I've never built it. How about that? Here's the cool stuff, some of the cool stuff it comes with. And your parts break down. Oh, wow. Somebody killed a plastic tree, I see. Huh. Yes, there is. There's a lot of plastic wrap here. Oh my goodness. Here's our chrome. Well, there's a crap ton of chrome. Look at this. So you got the spoke wheels. You got these really nice exhausts. And some big gnarly wheels. Whoa. Look at this. Look at this differential. Looks like it came off of a truck. Wow. The valve covers look suspiciously familiar. Here's velocity stacks, or injector stacks, sorry. Your fuel tank. Oh, the clear parts. Oh, look at this. Got some little red arrows, and you've got the lights either in orange or in clear. That's cool. I like that. And then, wow, look at this stuff. Wow. Really cool. And this exhaust here. Wow. Look at that. That's neat. Well, something interesting with the tires here. So, apparently, even though we've got cool looking pad printed tires for this, which is really cool, Slicksus Maximus, Roamin Rubber Company. I love it. That is so cool, but there's no back to it. The backs are right here. And then you got some nice looking little skinny front tires. I'm not going to take those out. Here we have an axle. And very few just bare plastic parts. So yeah, this is definitely going to be red. Some kind of a really neat crimson that I just happen to have. These are barely holding on, but these parts here. Oh yeah, those are going to look really cool. The engine, automatic transmission, looks like a big block Chevy is what I'm seeing. And then here's the frame. 2025, round 2, made in China. Ugh. And this really cool crest here. And the headrest. Huh. Now let's take a look at the decals, see what they've got for us. Holy socks. There's a lot of decal options there. That's pretty neat. That's going to be all right. Now, oh, what do we got in here? Oh, we got one of those box in a box things. If you're into that. We got the little Roamin Chariot. 454 cubic inch Chevy. And here's the assembly of it. The tires, the wheels. That looks like, I guess that's the headrest. This is the, I don't know what this is. Must be the seat. Huh. The steering controls. Oh boy. Getting all these parts on your frame. That is really cool looking. And then final assembly. So, not a whole heck of a lot to this, except I can foresee, after getting this sub-assemblies done and painted, I can foresee some scraping of the chrome to make sure everything gets glued properly. So we'll see how all this turns out. That is really neat though. A lot of chrome in this kit. So, you know, it looks a little simple, but I'm thinking it's going to be a bit of work, especially when you get some of these two-piece like here, having to scrape the chrome and then glue it together and make it look like there's no seam. Yeah, looks like we'll be repainting some areas with my Mullital liquid chrome. So, but really cool looking, I think. So, it shows this in gold, so I guess that's what we will do it as. Gold and some red. All right. Well, there you go, folks. Thanks for joining us today. Have the rest of a good week, and we'll see you again soon on the Kit Hoarder Stash.